Greetings and welcome to the Airbus booth. The digitization of helicopter operation has benefited the way we support rotorcraft. It allows us to leverage data generated by helicopter systems, be they flight data recorders and avionics systems like Helionix or maintenance software and applications used to manage fleets. Airbus Helicopters is proud to announce a new connected services package, the HDataPower Pack, your gateway to digital operations. It addresses Airbus' latest generation of helicopters, the H135, the H145, the H175 and the H160. We designed the HDataPower Pack with easy-to-use digital solution to boost your flight, airworthiness and maintenance operations. This new pack has been tailored to support Helionix-equipped helicopters at all steps of an operator's journey, with an uninterrupted digital chain of solutions fully integrated with Airbus helicopter systems. It facilitates instant exchanges across functions and organizations, optimizes interactions in fleet management while reducing human pressure and risks, and cuts workload and costs thanks to advanced analytics solutions. Through the digitization and in-depth analysis of flight, maintenance and logistics operations, the HDataPower Pack sets the stage for improvements and time savings, translating to greater fleet availability, enhanced operational safety, and cost optimization. During the show, come meet our teams at the Airbus Helicopters booth to discover more about how HDataPower can optimize your daily operations. See you there.